scenes folder. Upload scenes folder. Upload scenes folder. Upload scenes. Advanced section. Post. Upload scenes. Create sync. Close sync. Alright, package. I'm just going to download this one here for me. Then we'll start. See. Create cubic. So to upload, we use the upload section single method. The upload section single method expects the metadata of the values that we need, and the field string. The field string is, if you are uploading image, then it expects field string. So if we are uploading to image, it expects the field to be image. If you're uploading a video, it expects the field to be video. And if we are uploading audio, it expects the field name to be music. And if you're uploading to files, it expects the field to be file. So we're just going to borrow some few objects. We're just going to borrow some few objects from that data file. So we're going to import this object here. So on the first argument, the meta parameter, it expects the card, the cubic ID, it expects the cubic name, it expects the section name, and it expects the section title. That way we need to upload it, the file to. So this is just the example of the object that it expects. So since we've exported and imported the project into this file, the object, we're just going to use that object. Obj. And what's the next parameter? The next parameter is field name. Field name. We're going to upload image. So we need image. And then the next parameter are the files that we need to be uploading. So since we are not using a route, we're just doing manual upload. We're going to provide it with this array of objects with manually typed files. So normally what it expects is it expects the field name inside each file object. It expects the original file name, the size of the file, the file path, the name type, and the original name of the file. So we're just going to, since we've imported it here, we're just going to use files array. And then we return whatever comes back. Upload sim file. Upload sim file. So I'm just going to call a function. Sim. I'm just going to borrow this from here. copy. So let's just confirm first before we upload with our single section. Our single section. So this is the last image that is inside our single section. So let's go and upload and see. Okay, clear. And then nodejs. So what's returned is an object. What's returned is an object. Is an object with status and message and an array of the files that we uploaded, since there are two files inside the array object of files. So these are the two files that we uploaded. So let's just also confirm again with our web interface and see if the files are inside our cubic. Yeah, very well. These are our two files that we uploaded. So that went well. Let's clear this. Now next, let's see how we delete a file from the singles section in a cubic. So if this is upload, is going to use upload. We need to delete folder section file. So let's just borrow this one here. So we can carry on. When we upload, we delete, 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 delete. So here we need the delete method. Delete. We need the delete method. We need the single delete. So we need the single delete file. Okay. The single delete file method. The single delete file method expected data object that is got user ID, card, cubic ID, card name, section title, and the file that we need to delete. So I'm just going to borrow an object from here that we can use so that I can show you guys how the object looks like. So inside that object we need a cubic ID, we need a cubic name, we need a section name, and we need the section title, and we need the file name that we need to delete. So from those files that we just uploaded, okay, let's just call one function and see what files are inside. Cubic section image, right? Let's put image. Let's see the files that are inside the same section image. There's one thing that we need. There's one value that we need. We need the image that we are targeting. So let's run this. So let's run this. Let's run this. Okay. And then we'll return single. So we can target which file we need there. see. Okay, let's check this sharing it. Let's see what's happening. Okay, return section. Let's return section since we need the image to tag it. So this is the same section. This is the same section. Just going to target the last one. So on the last one, we need the file name. So let's get the file name of the image that we want to delete. We're done here. Let's get the file name of the image that we want to delete. Let's get the file name of the image that we want to delete. So let's run. Okay. Let's call it call a function. What do we name a function? Delete to see, delete singles. And let's borrow this here to run our function properly. Let's borrow it here to run our function properly. So let's run our function. Let's see. We didn't enter our argument here. Delete their folder. Yeah. So the image has been deleted. Let's just confirm. Let's just confirm. So it should be this one that's deleted. Yeah, the image is out. So that went well. So now we're going to look at upload files into a folder. So we're just going to comment this one out. And then we go bottom. Upload. Okay, let's go from this upload series. Go the whole thing. And we just modify it. Upload folder. Upload to folder. Upload to folder. Upload to folder. Just modify it. Upload to folder. Upload. So let's just enter our method. Upload the section folder. I'm just going to borrow an object so I can show you how this goes. Just going to borrow an object so I can show you what kind of arguments it expects, the function expects. The function expects the cubic ID, the cubic name, the section name, the folder, and the folder and the folder name, the name of the folder where we need to upload this file to, and the folder ID. So let's go to the folder section. Get cubic section folders. Okay, let's call this function and let's see the information about the folders that are inside this cubic in this section that we want. Okay. So inside the birthday folder, we're going to upload inside the test folder. So comment this one out. We're going to upload inside the test folder, and the folder ID is perfect. Yeah, so you can safely upload. So it expects that object and the field name. So this is the first argument, the object folder, and then the second argument is the field name. So the field name, since we're uploading images, it's image. And then the files array, that files that we imported from data, these files here. So we're just going to upload these two files here. So let's just check in our folder to see what is currently inside the test folder. Inside the test folder, there are these 4 files here. Okay, so we're just going to go back to our program, then clear the console, and then call our function upload folder. Then we just need to borrow this to make sure our function catches the error and the return results. That's perfect. So let's run our function and see. So very well, it returns an object. It returns an object that has got a status, the message, the cubic ID, cubic name, section title, folder name, folder ID, and uploaded key. Uploaded key is an array with all the images that have been uploaded. So if you put if you uploaded 6 images, there will be 6 images in the array. But for us, we uploaded 2 images, and so there are 2 images, 2 objects of representing 2 images that we have uploaded. The image size is in megabytes. So if we go and confirm with the web interface, just refresh here, we'll see that these are the 2 images that we have uploaded in. So we're going to work with our last method. Our last method is delete image in the folder. Delete image in the folder. Folder. So just going to borrow this function here. Delete this image, delete folder. Deleting folder, deleting folder, deleting folders, deleting folder, delete folder, delete folder, there can be folder, delete folder file. Then we're going to restructure this to delete. Just going to use the method folder delete file, folder delete file method. So also the folder delete file method expects the data objects. So let me just import the data object so you can see the kind of thing we are working with. So it expects a cubic ID, and it expects a cubic name, it expects a section name, it expects the folder name that we want to delete a file from, and it expects that folder's ID, and it expects the file name that we want to delete. So if we look at when we uploaded, we've got most of the values. We've got the folder ID, the test folder. What we just need to add is the image that we need to add. So we're going to add, we're going to delete this image here. So we're going to use this image. That's the one we're going to delete. 584, yeah. So we're just going to give it the argument. Upload object delete folder. And then we're just going to run our function, see what comes out of it. So delete in folder. Run our function properly. Delete in folder. So let's clear the console. And let's run and see. So very well, it has responded. The response will be an object again with status and the message. The image that we wanted to delete has been deleted from the test folder. So let's just confirm with our web interface and see if our image is gone. So one image should go. Very well. That image that we deleted is gone. So that went well. So that's how we use the Node.js library. It's quite simple actually using it. There's nothing much complicated. So on most of this object, if you do not put an argument in the function, it always throws an error, throws an error back that you need to handle. I think that's the most thing that you need to note when you're using this library. And you must always remember that all the methods that are in the class, in the cubic class, they are asynchronous. But if you have got any questions and stuff, you can email me on the email below, and I'll help you out with whatever problem that you're having with using the Node.js library. So next, now we are going to those other guys that use different languages than Node.js JavaScript. I'm going to show you guys how to create your own library if you don't want to use the HTTPS endpoints. I'm going to show you how to create your own library. So that's what we're going to do next now.